Morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. Not too much is going on right now. I have a meeting yet this morning, hence why I'm not in my safety vest, my regular work attire. I've got a meeting this morning, and then I've got some family coming up this afternoon for a visit. Today's not really much of a work day, but I figured I'd take you along anyway because I want to make vlogs pertaining to work and also outside of my work life. So, see where it goes, I guess. But no, we're just cleaning up some stuff, as you've seen in the last clip. We took a big load of bark away. We had some poles we bought here for furniture, and we peeled a bunch of them. And we had this big massive pile of bark, which you seen we took out back. And we also bought a few logs back to the mill for tomorrow, hopefully. And other than that, I guess really there's not too much going on right yet. What time of day is it here? It's 11:15. I've got a meeting around 11:30 yet. So, just business stuff, I guess. Other than that, see where the day takes us. So we're just getting there, bringing some logs up to the log yard. And this here is the pile that I just brought up. These ones over here were from the other day. So we're going to try to saw these out and make some camps out of them for siding. The right length for siding. So hopefully we can get some of it. And we'll probably see that here in the next few days.
The reason I'm friggin' with this log here is because it's so stinking crooked that I gotta try to cut a piece out of the middle of it.
Okay. It's now 5 o'clock or so. We just got done for the day. It's been an unusual day. Not a lot going on, but a lot going on at the same time. I had a meeting today. It was 2 hours later than I thought it was, so I thought it was at 11. Apparently it was at 1 o'clock. So, got that out of the way. Got another meeting tomorrow. And another meeting Friday. Got some logs moved. Got a log on the mill. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the deck ready to go. Got some logs moved over here for some shingle. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. Got some junk moved. I guess overall, just pretty busy and quite late at the same time. I know it's weird to say. I guess I'm in the background once to say hi. Yeah, it's been kind of a weird day. But I just wanted to come here and wrap this up and close this vlog off. So I hope you guys enjoyed your day. I know I did. It's kind of busy and slow at the same time, which is kind of weird to say, but it's true. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. Anyway, guys, have a great evening. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, favorite, all those good things. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.